Hello and welcome everyone to this tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through how to get started with ZeuZ and set up web automation. Before we begin, let's quickly understand the structure of the ZeuZ platform. ZeuZ has two main components. The first is the ZeuZ server, which is what you are seeing right now, and the second is the ZeuZ node. The ZeuZ server is web-based and acts as the central platform where you manage projects, create and maintain test cases, execute tests, view reports, and much more. The ZeuZ node, on the other hand, is a lightweight Python-based service responsible for running the test cases created in the ZeuZ server. The node can be installed on your local machine, a cloud VM, or virtually any environment that supports Python. Don't worry if this sounds a little new right now. Everything will become clearer as we move through the setup process. Assuming you have already received your ZeuZ server URL and login credentials, let's just log in with my credentials right now. After you log in, the very first screen you will see is the dashboard. Let's go to the menu, click on Testing, and click on Guided. This guided wizard will walk you through the complete setup process and help you create your very first test case. Now let's click Start Now. At this stage, you will choose the platform on which you want to automate your product. ZeuZ supports multiple platforms and will have separate installation videos for each one. For this tutorial, we'll select Web and click Next. If you see a browser pop-up requesting local device access, make sure to allow it. Now we have to click on Download and install ZNode. In my case, it's already installed, so it's showing that it's complete. In your case, when you click on Download and install ZeuZ node, you may see a blue pop-up window. Make sure to click on More Info and then select Run. Anyway, this is simply a false positive warning from Windows. Once the installation is completed, just provide the URL of your product. I'll use our demo site URL, which is https://demo.soo.ai, and I'll hit Continue. So, it's creating our very first test case. It's done already. Now I'll click Build Actions.